You see someone next to you.
You want to say something, but your mind goes blank.
What do you say?
Don't worry. Today we'll fix that.
Let's learn how to start a small talk in English and sound natural doing it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Chat Hub, the place where learning English feels simple, fun, and real.
Hi, friends, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Olivia.
Today's topic is something we all need. Small talk.
Small talk means short, friendly conversations about the weather, hobbies, or everyday life.
It helps you sound confident, friendly, and polite in English.
So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a small talk. Anytime, anywhere.
Quick question before we start. What do you usually say when you meet someone new?
Tell us in the comments. We'll read some of your answers in our next video. Small talk means short, light conversation, not too serious.
Right. It's how people build connection or fill silence politely.
For example, when you're waiting in line, meeting coworkers, or chatting with your neighbor.
The goal isn't deep talk. It's to be friendly.
Example A. Hey, how's your day going? B. Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
See? Simple, natural, and friendly.
Small talk means talking about serious topics like politics. True or false?
False. Small talk is about simple, light topics.
Exactly. Things like weather, weekend plans, or hobbies. Here are some easy ways to start a small talk in English. 1. Hi, how are you? 2. Nice day, isn't it? 3. How's everything going? 4. What brings you here? 5. I like your jacket. Where did you get it?
You can use these at work, school, or anywhere.
Example A. Hi. How are you? B. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Or A. Nice weather today. B. Yeah, it's perfect for a walk.
Simple and friendly. That's the secret. Fill in the blank. Dash day, isn't it?
The answer is nice.
Nice day, isn't it? Great job. There are some topics that are safe and friendly everywhere.
Here are the best ones. Weather. It's so sunny today. Work or studies. How's work going lately? Hobbies. Do you like music? Travel. Have you been anywhere interesting recently? Food. That coffee smells great.
Let's see them in short dialogues.
A. That looks delicious. What's that drink? B. It's a caramel latte. Want to try one?
A. I love your accent. Where are you from? B. Thanks. I'm from Brazil.
C. Small talk opens the door to real connection.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
Hi, how are you?
Nice weather today.
Do you come here often?
I like your style.
In a cafe, the coffee here is amazing, isn't it?
Yes, it's my favorite place in town. At school. Hey, how was the test?
Not too bad. I hope I passed. At work, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. Just finishing some emails. While traveling, is this your first time here?
Yeah, I love the city already. See how each situation has simple, friendly openings.
You're on a bus. What's a good small talk line? A. Why are you staring at me? B. Hi, nice weather today. C. Tell me your secrets.
Ha ha ha. The answer is B. Hi, nice weather today.
Once you start a small talk, you need to keep it flowing.
The key is to ask questions back.
Example A. How's your day? B. Good, thanks. How about yours?
Or show interest. A. I love coffee. B. Me too. What's your favorite type?
You can also use follow-up questions. Really? That's interesting. Oh, where did that happen?
These show you're listening, and people love that.
Let's do a role play.
Imagine you're waiting for the bus.
You see someone next to you. What do you say?
Maybe, hey, it's taking forever today.
Perfect. A friendly way to start talking.
Okay, let's learn the golden rules. DOS. Smile and use open body language. Listen actively. Ask simple questions. Be positive. Don'ts. Don't talk about money, politics, or religion. Don't interrupt. Don't overshare too fast.
Keep it light and friendly. That's small talk magic. You can't talk forever, right? So here's how to end small talk politely.
Try these. It was nice talking to you. Anyway, I'd better get going. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.
Example A. It was great chatting with you. B. You too. Take care.
Friendly, short, and polite. Perfect.
Challenge time. Make your own small talk example. Just 2 lines.
Write it in the comments below.
We'll pick the best ones and show them in our next episode. Want to sound more like a native speaker? Use these natural phrases. 1. How's it going? 2. Can't complain. 3. What have you been up to? 4. Long time no see. 5. You've been busy, huh?
Example A. Hey, how's it going? B. Pretty good. Can't complain.
Sounds smooth and real, right?
These phrases are perfect for friendly chats.
Sometimes learners make small mistakes that stop conversations.
Like giving one-word answers.
Example A. How are you? B. Fine.
That's the end.
Instead say, I'm fine, thanks. Just finished work? How about you?
Always give a little more detail. That keeps it going.
Let's do one final example.
I'll start. Hey, nice weather today.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Perfect for a walk.
Do you like walking in the park?
I love it. I go almost every evening.
Same here. Maybe we've seen each other before.
Maybe. Anyway, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
That's how you do it. Simple, friendly, confident.
So now you know how to start and keep a small talk in English.
You learned the best topics, phrases, and ways to sound natural.
Remember, under every hello is the start of a new friendship.
Don't wait for perfect English. Just start talking.
If you like this lesson, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And watch our next video.
Thanks for watching
And keep practicing it.
your English every day.